According to a recent report, a former GOP candidate has been arrested for doing something dangerous. Eric Krieg, a 45-year-old resident of the city of Munster, was charged with knowing possession of a destructive device and transporting explosive materials that injured one pregnant postal worker. As reported by HuffPost, the package containing a pipe bomb that exploded at a post office in East Chicago, Indiana, on September 6 had been addressed to an attorney who the feds labeled Victim 1. The lawyer had represented a person who filed a defamation lawsuit against Krieg that was settled for around $60,000, which led Krieg to declare bankruptcy, according to the feds. The U.S. Postal Inspector said the postal worker injured in the pipe bomb explosion was 7 months pregnant at the time, but suffered only minor injuries and has recovered.